I am Mrs. Mriga Chebber and I am going to teach you chemistry. The chapter name of the chapter is Matter Around Us Pure? We have already done the first chapter of chemistry and now we are going to start with the second lesson, Is Matter Around Us Pure? Children, you can see on the screen I have opened your NCERT book so that you should understand each and every line of your book, and along with that I have also the other websites which I will be using to explain you the topics so that you are thoroughly understood and clear with the topics that I am teaching. So let's start the lesson now. Is matter around us pure? I would like to, I would like to say this, that all of you should open your books, keep a pencil with you so that whatever I explain, if you want to note it down, you can do it in your book or some rough notebook and also underline the important lines. So let's begin with the lesson. I'll read each and every line for you so that you are thoroughly understood the lesson. Let's see here in your book, how do we judge whether milk, ghee, butter, salt, spices, mineral water or juice that we buy from the market are pure? Now you have seen, children, whenever you bring various groceries at your home, you see the packets, the name of the company, whichever company you have bought, they generally use this name, pure or desi, like desi shuddh ghee. They write this on the packet, or pure ghee. What do you mean by this word pure? Now, for these companies, they want to say that for them, purity means shuddh. That means there is no adulteration. What do you mean by adulteration? No milavat. For them, the pure word carries this meaning. But in chemistry, it has some different concept. The pure word is used in chemistry for something very different, which I am going to explain you now. Children, if I ask you that 1 spoon of sugar, is it pure or not? 1 spoonful of sugar. So, what will be your answer? I must tell you that yes, it is pure. Now, why is it pure? I am not bothered or worried whether it has something, some adulteration or not. I am only considering here whether 1 spoonful of sugar is pure or not. Now that means that sugar, 1 spoonful of sugar contains only the particles of sugar. There are no other particles. Now, because it contains no other particles, only one kind of particle or one kind of matter, then it is pure. Similarly, if I say a glass full of water, now a glass full of water is pure because it contains only water. But if I ask you whether a glass full of lemonade, is it pure, then what should be the answer, children? Yes, the answer is no, it is not a pure substance. Why? Because a lemonade is a mixture of water, sugar, lemon juice, and sometimes salt also. So it does not contain only one type of particle or one type of matter. It is a mixture of various type of particles. So lemonade is not a pure substance. So children, in your book, let me further read it out for you. See, Have you ever noticed the word pure written on the packs of these consumables? For a common person, pure means having no adulteration, right? As I told you, for a common person, pure means no adulteration. But for a scientist, all these substances and hence not pure. For example, children, milk. Now, when I say milk, now when if I ask you about milk, what do you think, children? One spoon of milk, is it pure? So, what should be the answer? Few of would say you would say yes, milk is pure, है ना? But children, milk is not a pure substance. You see, you should underline here on the page that milk is actually a mixture of water, fat, proteins, etc. Please underline this line. This can be one marker question, okay? Then, children, when a scientist says that something is pure, now you underline this. This is the definition of pure substance. From here, it means that all the constituent particles of that substance are the same in their chemical nature. So, a pure substance consists of a single type of particle. So, children, these lines are the actual explanation of pure substance. So, I hope you have understood that a pure substance is considered pure only and only if it contains the particles which have same chemical nature. The particles, suppose there are 100 particles in a spoon of sugar. Okay, suppose there are 100 particles in a spoon of sugar, so all 100 particles will have the same formula, same chemical nature. Then only that is considered a pure substance. Okay, children, I hope I am clear with what is a pure substance. Okay, now see the next paragraph. What it says is, as we look around, we can see that most of the matter around us exists as mixtures of two or more pure components. For example, seawater. Now, children, have you been to sea? So some of you might have gone to sea and you know that sea water is salty. So children, can you tell me why sea water is salty? Yes, it is salty because it is a mixture of water plus many other minerals, and because of the presence of those minerals and soil and rock and stones and whatnot inside the sea, it is a mixture. Similarly, children, soil is also a mixture because it contains many different components. It has sand, it has clay, it has gravel, it has microorganisms in it. So it is also considered a mixture. Okay, so I hope, children, from this part I have made you clear. I have discussed two things, that is what is a pure substance, and I have given you some explanations about mixture. Okay, thank you.